how to install your Color Master canisters. This video will show you how to install or change your Color Master canisters. First, in the Color Master application, click on the Management tab. On this screen, you will now be able to choose which canister number you want to install. After you have chosen your canister, select Replace to install your canister. It is important to prime each canister before installation. Shake each canister very well by holding the canister away from your body. Gently spray out a small amount of the color into the trash to dispose of it. Now, open the left side door and pull the canister mounting handle out, then lift up. Gently place the canister into the slot. You want to make sure that the large side of the nozzle is right under the arrow. Pull down and push in the canister mounting handle. Make sure that each of the canisters are installed in their correct correspondences. Close the door after each canister install. Repeat these steps for all 12 canisters. Place the bowl included with your Color Master factory onto the scale. Note, the Color Master's artificial intelligence is specifically formulated to recognize the black Chi color bowl included with your kit. Now, select Cleaning. You will see the Cleaning tab flashing. In the cleaning window, all of the canisters should be automatically checkmarked. If not, select the All checkbox. Select Start to begin the cleaning. Select OK once cleaning is completed.